Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you supplementary angle formula sums with two methods. In the given figure, measure angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Find measure angle ACB. Look at this figure. This is the figure of supplementary pair. Two angles are combined together in supplementary pair, that is measure angle ACB and measure angle ACD. Measure angle ACB which you are finding is an acute angle, and measure angle ACD which is given 110 degree is an obtuse angle. Now let us do the sums. The formula of supplementary angles should be the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. Now the two angles you have to take the sum. You have to take in addition form, that is measure angle ACB plus measure angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. This is the meaning of the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles, which is 180 degree. Measure angle ACB you have to write as it is, plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. You have to solve like an equation sum which you already studied. Left side what is there here? Which sign is there? Plus. If the equation is in plus sign, so you have to take opposite sign if you want to solve like an equation sum. That is measure angle ACB plus 110 degree become minus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Subtracting 110 degree on both the sides. Left side which sign is there and which number is there, that only number you have to take on both the side. Okay, if you have left side which sign, you have to take the opposite sign when you want to solve like equation sum. 110 degree minus 110 degree get cancelled. Now subtract 180 degree minus 110 degree. I am getting answer 70 degree. Therefore, measure angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. Now we will do second method. Second method is very short and very simple. In the given figure of supplementary pair, you have to find measure angle ACB. You can use the formula supplement of measure angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Supplementary angle always measures 180 degree. If two combined angles are given, that is one acute angle and one obtuse angle. If any one of the angle is given measure, you have to subtract it from 180 degree in supplementary angle. After subtracting 180 degree minus 110 degree, I am getting answer 70 degree. Therefore, measure angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. If you understood both of the methods of supplementary angle formula sums, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.